Hi, I'm Leng.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Mama.
I'm Darwin.
And I'm Ivy.
And we are the Rational Group.
Hi, I'm Ivy Mantal, and we're making a tutorial video about rational equation. What is rational equation? Rational equation is an equation containing at least one fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials.
So here are some examples of an irrational equation. The given is 1 over y is equals 6 over 5y plus 1. Before that, we have to look first the LCD. The LCD, less common denominator. Before we find the LCD, we have to look first the denominator. The denominator is y and 5y. Then we have to look some number that can be multiplied by y and 5y, so that is the 5y. Now, let's substitute. 5y multiplied by 1 over y is equals 5y multiplied by 6 over 5y plus 5y multiplied by 1. Now, 5y multiplied by 1 divided by y is equals 5 equals 5y multiplied by 6 divided by 5y is equals 6 plus 5y multiplied by 1 is equals 5y. So bring down 5 is equals 6 plus 5y is equals 11y. So since the number here is 11, we have to multiply by 11 both sides. So 11, we have to cancel it. Then the value of y is 5 over 11.
Okay, let's have our second example. 10 over b squared minus 1 plus 2b minus 5 over b minus 1 equals 2b plus 5 over b plus 1. So first, let's have our LCD. Our LCD in this equation is b plus 1 multiplied by b minus 1. Then multiply it in every rational expression in this equation. So this will become b plus 1 multiplied by b minus 1 times 10 over b squared minus 1 plus b plus 1 multiplied by b minus 1 times 2b over 5 over b minus 1 is equals to 2b plus 5 over b plus 1 times b plus 1 times b minus 1. So first, b plus 1 times b minus 1 is equals to b squared minus 1. So this will be cancelled because the denominator is also b squared minus 1. Then bring down 10 here plus b plus 1 multiplied by b minus 1 times 2b minus 5 over b minus 1 then is equals to 2b squared minus 3b minus 5 because b minus 1 will be cancelled because the denominator is equals to b minus 1, then the b plus 1 must be multiplied by the 2b minus 5. So the answer is 2b squared minus 3b minus 5. Then last, 2b plus 5 over b plus 1 is multiplied by the LCD b plus 1 multiplied by b minus 1. So again, b plus 1 will be cancelled because the denominator is also b plus 1. Then 2b plus 5 must be multiplied by b minus 1. Then the answer is 2b squared minus 5. Then the next step, we must combine similar terms. Then 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And then this will become 2b squared minus 3b plus 5 equals 2b squared minus 5. And then transpose 2b squared minus 5. Then this equation must become 2b squared minus 3b plus 5 minus 2b squared plus 5 equals 0. Then again, we must combine the similar terms. 2b squared minus 2b squared is equals to 0. Then negative 3b, bring down here. Then 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, equals to 0. So to find the value of b, we must equate negative 3b plus 10 equals to 0. So this will become negative 3b equals positive 10. This will become negative 10. Then divided by negative 3, this will be cancelled, and negative 10 divided by negative 3. Then b, negative divided by negative is equals to positive. So the value of b is equals to 10 over 3. That's the answer.
We have an example here of rational inequality. So, the given is 5x minus 8 over x minus 5 greater than or equal to 2. So, the first thing to do is we have to transpose 2. So, 5x minus 8 minus 2 multiplied by x minus 5 and then over x minus 5. So, we just have to multiply negative 2 times x. So, the answer is negative 2x, and then we have to multiply negative 2 times negative 5 is equals to 10, because when we multiply negative times negative is equals to positive. So we just have to copy this 5x minus 8 minus 2x plus 10 over x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So here we have to combining similar terms. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. So plus 2, because negative 8 plus 10 is positive 2. So 3x plus 2 over x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. And then we have to equate both denominator and numerator to 0. So 3x plus 2 equals to 0. 3x over 3 equals to negative 2 over 3. And then x is equals to negative 2 and 3. And then the last is we have to equate the denominator, which is x minus 5. So x minus 5 is equals to 0. So x equals to 5.
Hello guys! Thank you for watching and listening to our rational equation and rational inequality video tutorial. And I hope you learn.